Hey Chief, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to level up your Clash of Clans clan and why it's so important. So let's get started. The safest way to earn clan XP is through the clan wars. So you can play the wars. As you can see, the clan XP is 254. If you hit perfect to the enemy clan war, you will get 254. As you can see, this is the clan war league. So after you finish the clan war league, you can also start the war, and also you can earn clan war. From clan war league you can earn most of the clan XP. Then another step is to from the clan games. Another way is clan games. By completing the clan games, here the clan games option will come, that will come every season. The clan games option is already finished. As you can see, in this season we have already completed. So if you visit your clan, as you can see, our clan is level 14. You can join our clan, start glorify. So if you go to the war log, you can see the victory we have wins is 138. So if we will play 10 versus 10 war, so more versus you play, the more you will get the XP. So we have won the war, and here as you can see, we have got 183 XP. If you go to the details, you can see from here also. And also from the clan capital, attacking enemy capitals during the raid weekends also contribute to clan XP and keeps your clan progressing. So if you attack on the clan capital also, it will also provide your clan XP and contributes to your clan. And that's it. Level up your clan by winning clan wars, playing clan games, and raiding in the clan capital. Higher clan level unlock perks like cheaper donation and stronger troops. So if we donate here, as you can see, there are no donation right now, but if we get level 10 clan, it will get extra double troops of level that you donate. So if this helps, hit like, subscribe and share with your clan mates, and see you in the battlefield.